Let's turbocharge your swimming pool heat pump and get more bang for your buck. It's go time! There's quite a few above-ground pool heating videos floating around. This one, however, will teach you to turbocharge your pool's heat pump. And we are going to optimize this heating system on a tight budget. This style of swimming pool heat is ideal for easy-set pools and the do-it-yourself metal frame above-ground pools that you buy on Amazon or at your local Walmart. This video is short and sweet and provides some great advice for heating these cheap above-ground pools. First things first, if you can afford a true pool heater, professional installation, and an inflated energy bill, a true pool heater will provide more heat faster than a heat pump. Basically, a heater makes hot water, a heat pump makes warm water. The advantages of using heat pumps for your above-ground pool are low cost of purchase, do-it-yourself installation, and very reasonable monthly electricity use. Most of these heat pumps are available in 120-volt versions, so you plug them in and connect the hoses. I'm going to show you how I got mine to work better than expected using a few simple techniques. Ready? Tip number 1 is total isolation from the pool's filter. You need to be able to run the heat pump with or without your filter being on. Keeping it totally independent is the biggest step to optimizing the water heating process. Heat pumps are substantially more efficient with warm, humid air. So we only want to run the heat pump in the daytime during the warmest part of the day. As you can see, I have my output and my input separated from the filtration system. This setup requires a separate pump. You may have a spare lying around the garage. If not, they are available online or at pool stores or even flea markets. Gallons per minute aren't that critical for this application. We just need to be able to pump water through the heat pump. And now on to tip number 2. A solar blanket, again, available online, a local pool supply, or even a flea market if you're lucky. Since we will only be running our heat pump in the warm daylight, I added one solar blanket in series with the heat pump. I initially experimented with 3 solar blankets, reduced it to 2, and ultimately settled with 1 blanket. I found the water flow was reduced too much with the additional blankets, but using just 1 blanket provided optimal water flow and additional free heat from the sun. Our final tip to turbocharge your heat pump is regarding control. It's easy to forget to turn your heat pump on and off, so why not automate the process? Now, I am using a TP-Link remote control plug for this portion of my system, but you can use any home automation device like the Google or Alexa stuff. I schedule my heating system to turn on at 10 a.m. and turn off at 6 p.m. so I can capture the warmest and sunniest part of the day, but you can adjust this to your liking. Also, if I know we are going to have a cool rainy day, I will sometimes shut the system off for that day and let the pool heating resume the following day. Again, that is optional and you can use your judgment for that. So, here's a recap. You isolate your heat pump from the filter, add 1 solar blanket for an additional boost on sunny days, and remotely control the heat pump so it only runs during the warmest part of the day. Those 3 tips have substantially improved the operation of my heat pump, and I believe they will help you too. My pool is warm and comfortable, and I didn't have to spend a small fortune to do it. If you learned anything here, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.